Well, this is easily the prettiest day this year. So we got out here and we did some gardening a few days ago. We pulled the mulch off the asparagus bed. Just waiting for the ground to warm up. It's a little early for them to come up, but it won't be very long. We'll pull the mulch back over once it starts sprouting. This is where the tomatoes are going to go. This first row, it's not time for them yet. This is Easter Sunday. And I just planted lettuce mix in about a third of this row, and then spinach, and then the lower or the far third is in kale. And that's safe to plant. And that is last year's parsley. And that'll go to seed this year, but I'm going to set more parsley out on beside it and then a couple across the front. And we're just alternating. The winter didn't kill it, so that's why it's coming back. And those are some onions that we didn't pull last year. And they're coming up by themselves, but again, they're going to go to seed. And I'm getting some onion sets. My nursery opens on the 16th. So I'm going to get onion sets and fill in this bare and then beyond. I'm going to make a row here for the broccoli when it's time for it, and it's probably a couple weeks out. And probably going to be reclaiming more of this garden back here with grass. About another 3 feet coming this way. Just don't use it since we put this in back here. The peppers are now always grown back here, and the pole beans are next to them, and that is a work in progress there. So we trimmed the St. John's wort down, and we're going to have to put a little low fence on this to help support it. It got really tall last year, and it started flopping over into this walkway that we want to keep. So I'm thinking about just a miniature of the fence that's around the asparagus, just to help hold it up and hold it in. So that is it. It's a little garden update, spring of 2021. I hope you guys are getting ready for the year too. We'll see you after a while.